Good morning, my dear students. So I hope that we all are so fit and fine, very healthy. So okay, students, welcome to our RV online classes with our mathematics classes. Students, yes, in this video or in this video, I will teach that. So that is remaining chapter 6, 100 decimals. So remaining exercises. So exercise today's I will teach that exercise. So remaining exercise 6D. So 6D students in last classes just you have to solve in simplifications. The simplifications rule of the bonus rule applied in this already solved or some examples. Okay. So in today classes, so exercise 6D word problems or statement problems. So students in that is the same rule in exercise 6D. So already the simplifications problems yesterday we have already solved for exercises in today classes. So that is the statement or word problems. The statement problems. So you have to page number already to open it. So that is the page number 39 to 100. The total questions that is a 5. The statement problems. Okay. So first, can you see in question number second? The first means up to A2 in H questions in the previous classes already solved. In this 4 questions or 4 or 5 questions. Yesterday's I gave to homework. Okay. So in today's means 6 exercises 6D, that is the second means. So exercise C for that second mean. C for students, a worker gets, yes, a worker gets daily wage. So what is the meaning of the wage means? That is a ಕೂಲಿ ಕೊಡುವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ in Kannada. That is a workers, that is a wages. The workers means already know that is a you have to take the labors. So can you see from here, a worker gets daily the wage of 80 rupees 85 paise. Find the wages of 27 workers. 27 workers. Students, first you have to read the question. This is very first you read each and each sentence. Students, the workers get, yes, the workers gets in a daily the wages of the rupees. Students, you know the symbol of rupees, the Indian currency, that is, you use the symbols already many chapters already I told. So this is the symbol of money symbol. Okay, so students, here a worker gets daily, yes, that is the daily wages of the daily wages of 80 rupees 85 paise. How many rupees? Like 80 rupees 85 paise. Find the wages of 27 workers. This is very important. Find how do you find this examples means first you have to observe the words. Find the wages. Find the wages. So find the wages of 27 workers in each labors or workers means. So take to how much that the wages of one labor. Labor means you have to take the workers. The one labor is how many rupees? That is take to that is 80 rupees 85 paise. Students, compared to point afterwards 80 or 85, because 80 point after, this is the decimals in the decimals, so the point after or before. point after scissor, that is a less, that the value is less before scissor, that is a value is a more than value. This is, you have to consider this is 80 rupees, the point afterwards 85 paise. It is not 1 rupees, 85 paise just. Yes. So a worker gets the daily wages of 80 rupees 85 paise. Find the wages of 27 workers. The workers. Yes. The first you have to write the statement in question. In word problem, first you have to write the sentence. The first sentence, the wages of one laborers. A student, the wages of one workers, that is how much money? The total money is 85 paise. First you have to write it. The wages of one labor. Labor, you know, that is labor, only one labor. The cost means 3 rupees 85 paise. Afterwards, the wages of 27 workers. Students, the wages of 27 workers. Please say the worker. That is how many? The wages of 27 workers. So that is the 27. Yes. So 27 workers. So you have to do multiplication in the 80 rupees 85 paise into 27. Students, one labor is that got how much money? The total is 80 rupees 85 paise. Yes. So the wages of 20 workers is how much money is what is the total money of 27 workers? The wages of the 27 workers. So how to do the multiplication? The common multiplication means 80 point means in 80.85 into 27. So into multiplication. 8 sevens are, sorry, 8, sorry, 5. 7 5s are 35. So 7 8s are 56. 57, 58, 59. So you have to write here. The 7 is 0, 0 here. The 5. So 7 8s are 56. Next plus 5 2s are 10. So next 2 8s are 16. 16 1 17. So here 1. 2 into 0 here 1. 2 8s are 16. So this what is the total? So see for here 5, so 9. So 5 plus 7 is 12 comparing. 6 is 7, 8. So next 5 plus 6. The 5 plus 6 is that is 11. Students, 2,18,295. So you have to write this down. So answers will be what? The amount 218,295. Students, afterwards, where write for your point? Point is where writing for here. So 218,295. So can you see in question that is how many rupees? 80 rupees 85 paise. Two number afterwards here point means. So 80 rupees 85 paise means, students, 80 rupees 85 paise. Two number afterwards here you put the point. So you also you write to two number afterwards point. So what is the total value? 2,000. How many rupees? The 2,182 rupees. The 2,182 rupees 95 paise. That what is the total money means? 2,182 rupees 95 paise. This is the total money. So students, you know that the 27 workers, the wages of the 27 workers, what is the total cost? The total cost is 2,182. 182.95 paise. Yes. So we have to write the therefore wages of 27 workers. 27 workers. The taken how much money? What is the total money? That is yes, 2,182.95 paise. Students, see for here. The first you have to again in second I have to repeat. Can you see? So just 2 minutes I will repeat. So first question here, first question statement or word problem. First you have to read the questions. The questions is what a worker gets in a daily wages of the 80 rupees 85 paise. But you have to find the wages of 27 workers. So find the wages of 27 workers. So what is the first statement? So first you see the questions afterwards. The first step means you have to write the solutions. The solution afterwards. So in one labor, what is the cost of the one labor? So the wages of one labor is that is 80 rupees 85 paise. Yes. So next you have to find it. The wages of the 27 labors is what is the cost? What is the cost means? So you have to do the multiplications. So already I done that common multiplication method. Okay. So what is the total money? So the total money is equal to 18295. So students, can you see here? The wages of the 27 workers is that is 2,182.95 paise. Yes, so this is the total money. Okay, students. So next classes. So this is the second main correct. Okay, students, in the third and fourth, five. So I will give to last question. Sixth question is given to different. So now I will solve to sixth one. So six is given some different question. So Tom traveled. So can you see in question number 6, the page number that is 100 students. The top 7 kilometer by foot. Foot means already walk. Okay, so next foot means you use the hands. Okay, next 12.1 kilometer by bus and the rest of the scooter. So next if E traveled a total distance of 29.05 kilometer, find the distance covered by scooter. But you have to find in two questions. So this is given different question, students. So see for here. So next question. This is number 6. Question number 6. Tom traveled 2.07 kilometer by foot, 12.1 kilometer by bus and the rest by scooter. Rest by scooter if he traveled a total distance. The total distance of 29.05 kilometer. Find the distance covered by scooter. The question is what? Find the distance. Find the distance covered by scooter. Students, Tom traveled first, that is foot. What is the total kilometer? That is 2.7 kilometers by foot. Afterwards, 12.1 kilometer by bus. The foot is, what is the total kilometer? The foot, the total kilometer is, that is a 2.07 kilometer. Afterwards, the 12.1 kilometer by bus. So after students, and the rest by the scooter, and the scooter is the rest by. Okay, next. If he traveled a total, this is the first question. What is the total? You have to solve the first steps. So next is what? The distance of. This is a completed part. Which is one statement. So after can you see the distance of 29.05 kilometer? Find the distance covered by scooter. But students, you calculate to do in order to do sentence. Okay, first you have to write the distance traveled by foot. Solution. Distance traveled by foot. So that is 2.07 kilometer. Okay, so next distance traveled by foot afterwards, that is by bus. You have to write inside the distance distance traveled by bus. Students, in by bus is what is that? So by bus means students, that is a 12.1 kilometer. That is a 12. Students, that is 12.1 kilometer. So, okay. So question C. After SWOT, the bus by bus and the rest by the scooter. If he traveled a total distance 29.05 kilometer, find the distance he covered by scooter. This is very important. Find the distance he covered by scooter. So you have to do addition. What is the total traveled in a foot and bus? So now to write it down, the distance traveled by foot and the foot and bus. What is the total? We both have to do the additions. Now to write first unit. Here not given the numbers, you have to write 0. So 0 7 plus 0 means 7. 1 0 plus 1 1. The point 2 plus 2 4. You write as it 1. What is the total? That is 14.117 kilometers. So the distance traveled, the total distance traveled by foot and bus. In foot and bus, what is the total distance up to? What is the total kilometers means? That is a 14.17 kilometer. Okay, this is the first the traveled total. The total means 100. I will find that is a 14.17 kilometer. So after C, distance of 29.05 kilometer. Find the distance covered by scooter. So next you have to write the total distance. So next sentence, total distance. The total distance covered. The covered is what? That is. So see here, the total distance is given, the 29. This is the first statement. Okay. So next, 29.05 kilometers. So next, the distance traveled by bus and foot. Already you have to find that. Here. What is the total distance of travel distance of that is foot and bus? So 14.77 kilometer. So next sentence, the distance of the 29.05 5 kilometer. Find the distance he covered by scooter. So you have to write the sentence. The total distance covered. The total distance is covered the 29.05 kilometers. So next sentence you have to write it. Distance traveled. Distance traveled by bus and means in a foot and bus. The foot and bus, students, what is that? So that is the 14.17 kilometer. So now you have to do the subtracted. So the distance traveled by scooter, you have to find that his distance is covered by scooters means, so you have to do subtracted. So subtracted means kilometer, you have to write it. Is 5 minus 7 is not possible, you have to take this side here. So first you have to take here 8 left here 10. So 10 is left for here 9. This is 15. Students, 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is that is a 9. The 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 that is a 9. Next students, 9 minus 1 that is a 8 point. 8 minus 4 is 4. The 2 minus 1 which is 14.89 kilometers. So you have to consider. So this is therefore the 14.89 kilometer. So therefore 14 point students here come to 15 minus 7 is 8. So 14.88 kilometer. 14.88 kilometer is the distance covered by Tom by scooter. Students, what is the distance covered by Tom by scooter is? That is 14.88 kilometers. Yes, is the distance covered by Tom by scooter. So this is the total distance. Yes, students. So this is a finishing. So this exercise also finished. So in the next classes. So next classes I will take to rounding to nearest of the decimals. So already in the rounding to nearest of the tens, 100, 1000, lakh, and like you already learned in previous classes. But in this class, rounding to nearest in decimal fractions. So that is a concept. So that is a new concept. Tomorrow I will take to in. First I will explain that concept. Afterwards I will solve the exercises 6E. So next class, here students, I will take to in the next classes. So students, so you have to write in classwork compulsory. You have to complete it in your classwork. So complete it. So the remaining questions you try to your own. So I will send it to in PDF of in our app. That is a okay. So in group. So group C and you will write to in your classwork. Okay. So thank you, students. I will take to continue next classes.